Hi, I'm Sam from Preston Baker Estate Agents. Today I'm here to bring to the market a 3-bed property on Tadcaster Crescent, which is in the heart of Woodseats. The location could not be any better. The shops are a short walk away, the bus and travel links are just around the corner, and schooling is great, both primary and secondary. Let's go and take a look. As we enter the property from the rear, we walk straight into the kitchen diner. As you can see, it's all open plan. I think the property is ideal for a family or a young professional couple. The property's been in the family for about 60 years and was built in the 1960s. It is in need of some sort of modernisation here and there, but other than that, it's good to go. Let's go and take a look in the front room. As we walk into the living room, you can see there's a big front window there allowing in plenty of light. Again, great condition, really good size, perfect and ideal for a family. As we head upstairs, we come to 3 bedrooms and a family bathroom. There are 2 really good sized doubles, 1 single, and a 3-piece suite in the bathroom. Let's go and have a look. As we enter the master bedroom, you can see it's a great size. Again, plenty of storage in the wardrobes and plenty of sunlight coming through the big bay window there. So we're in the second bedroom here. Again, plenty of space in here for a double bed. As you can see, there is lots of storage on both sides of the walls and the back wall here. Good thing about this bedroom is it overlooks the lovely garden out the back. That concludes the interior tour of the property. We're now here in the rear garden. As you can see, it's a beautiful sod trap. There are mature trees to the right hand side of the property and a greenhouse key for a keen gardener, and also a beautiful barbecue area. If you're interested in viewing this property, give the Sheffield office a call today.